So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the sound is coming from one side of your speaker of your laptop or computer. Now, in order to fix it, simply open the settings of a Windows laptop. Now, in the settings, go to System, go to Sound, scroll down, go to more sound settings, and here select speaker, double click on speakers, and here you'll see this option of level right there. Click on level, and here you'll see this option that is balance. Click over there and make sure that none of the value is even for the left or for R is set to the minimum value. Make sure both of them are equal. That means the sound from both speakers comes equally, and none of them will set to the zero value, and that will definitely solve your problem. Now give a restart to your computer, and if it does not, that means that's definitely a hardware failure. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.